Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect a Squarespace domain to GoHighLevel. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and opening the sub-account where you want to use the domain. Next, go to Settings and select Domains. Click the Add button and choose the type of connection you need. If you want to connect a website or funnel, select that option. If you want to use the domain for email services, choose Dedicated Domain for Email. Enter your domain name and continue. GoHighLevel may ask you to verify the domain through your registrar. Since Squarespace does not support automatic verification with GoHighLevel, select the option called Manually Add Records. Now open a new tab and log into your Squarespace account. Go to Settings, click Domains, and select the domain you want to connect. Then open DNS Settings or Advanced Settings. If GoHighLevel gives you an A record, create a new A record in Squarespace. Enter the host or name and paste the IP address into the value field. Save the record. If GoHighLevel provides a name record, create a new SNAME record. Enter www or the subdomain you want to use as the host or name. Then paste the target address from GoHighLevel into the value field and save it. Once all records have been added, wait for the DNS changes to update. This can take a few minutes or sometimes several hours. After the records are verified, your Squarespace domain will be successfully connected to GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.